Welcome to a new video, guys. In this one we have the standard form. So the diameter of a spherical planet is 6 times 10 to the power 4 kilometers. Question A, write down the radius of the planet. Keep in mind that for paper 1 in AA standard level we are not using the calculator, so let's use our arithmetic skills. 6 times 10 to the power 4 equals to the diameter, and we know the diameter is 2 times the radius. So we can conclude the radius to be half of that. 6 times 10 to the power 4 over 2. That's 3 times 10 to the power 4 kilometers. So that was nice and easy. Question B. The volume of the planet can be expressed in the form of pi times a times 10 to the power k kilometers cubed. A must be between 1 and 10, k must be an integer. Find the value of a and k. Well, since we have a spherical planet, meaning the shape is a sphere, we know that there is a volume of a sphere formula, which is going to be 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. Now let's plug all the relevant numbers and work this out. 4 over 3 times pi times bracket, substitute the radius over there, which is 3 times 10 to the power 4 to the power 3. Keep working. We have 4 over 3 times pi, and then when you work a multiplication to a certain power, you're just going to write each element and the power. 3 to the power 3 times 10 to the power 4 to the power 3. Keep solving. That's going to be 4 over 3 times pi times 27 times 10 to the power 12, because I have to multiply those powers. Then you can do some simplifications. 27 and 3, they both divide by 3. That's going to be 1, and here you have 9. So now you have 4 times 9, which is going to be 36, times pi times 10 to the power 12. Are we done? Not yet, because I do have a certain k and I do have a certain a, but this a is above 10 and I need my a to be between 1 and 10. So I need the standard form. What I can do is I can write 36 as 3.6 times 10, and then I multiply with pi and I multiply with 10 to the power 12, and then I just group the tens. 10 times 10 to the power 12 is 10 to the power 13, and then I have 3.6 times pi. Now this looks good. I have my a, which is 3.6, a is 3.6, and then my k is 13. And that concludes the answer. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.